Hey guys, Elaine Adams here. Welcome to our video series on tips and tricks on writing a story for our writing prompt this year for our Kids Original program. When you're writing a story for us, there's some things that we're looking for. Last year we chose a story called Rufus the Rhino, and we chose that out of a whole bunch of stories that were sent in to us from kids all over the country. Now, why did we choose Rufus? First thing that we liked about Rufus was that the character was really interesting. So when you're writing a story, you want to make a main character of some kind that we can really relate to, that really fits the writing prompt, and is a character that's very memorable and sort of very interesting, if you would. So we really liked the main character, but that wasn't even really the most important part for us. For us, what is the most important part is that the story that you send into us, the story that you guys write, has a conflict, has a big problem at the center of it. And we kind of set that up for you guys by giving you a writing prompt that sort of hints at the sort of opportunity you have to expand on a problem. But one thing that we know about good stories is that they're all about a character that has a problem and has to solve it. So I want you guys to really think about that when you sit down to write your stories, and really make sure that you're filling out the conflict part of the story so that it's really clear to the reader, like us, that your character, who's going to be a very cool character, I'm sure, has a really big problem that they have to find a way to solve, and along the way things are going to happen, right? A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, things are going to happen, and our character has to stumble through those things until they find a resolution, or what we call a happy ending. So I hope that was helpful, and I can't wait to see what you guys write. Cheers.